everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we will be unboxing some more Chanel. I picked up this the other day and there is a shopping vlog which I'll make sure I link up here, and also I'll be unboxing, this is very overdue, this baby. This is a classic flap bag that I picked up a while ago. I bought this as soon as the 21S collection launched, so it's been a while and I've been teasing you about it. So today we're finally unboxing this new bag together, and yeah, if you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram where you can see my daily outfits, how I style my new purchases. I would love to see you there, guys, so come say hello. Let's get started. Of course, we have to start with the handbag because it is the most beautiful classic flap you'll see, guys. So let's open it up. I have already used this because I mentioned I bought it a while ago and I couldn't wait. I did mention in my previous 21S unboxing videos, I'll make sure I link my top handle, white top handle, Chanel unboxing and the mini vanity unboxing video up here if you're interested. I mentioned in that video that I bought 4 handbags from the 21S collection, and this is the final 4th bag that I got. So alright, here's the bag, and now I want you guys to pause the video and leave me a comment and guess the color. Let's see how many of you can guess. It is a beautiful summer color. Let's see how many of you will guess. Alright, 3, 2, 1. This is my new small classic flap in the most gorgeous mint color. What do we think? How many of you guessed? Oh my god, I can't wait to go and read the comments and see how many of you guessed it. So this gorgeous color is from the 21S collection, which is the current collection available in boutiques right now. It is so beautiful, so summery, and this is a color that I really wanted. I fell in love as soon as I saw it on Instagram. I randomly saw it on Instagram and I messaged my SA straight away. She said they are expecting stock but they will receive it later on. So she asked me if I wanted to wait, or she said she can order it for me if I wanted it sooner, and guess what, of course I wanted it sooner, so I couldn't wait. I said yes, if you can please order it for me, I will take it. I cannot wait. This beautiful 21S color on Instagram is known as Tiffany Green. Many people on Instagram call this the Tiffany Green. It is such a gorgeous pastel color, minty. However, the official Chanel name is light green. I think it looks very true to color. I'll definitely insert some more videos throughout this video so you can see it under different lighting, but I think now it's showing pretty true to color. So this, as you can tell, is the small classic flap. Recently I have been buying only small classic flaps. I have only one medium classic flap and the rest is smalls. I really love the small size because I can wear it as top handle, and especially in bright colors, I think I do prefer brighter colored bags in smaller sizes. This also has champagne gold hardware. I know it actually looks silver because of the color of the bag. It has a cool undertone which makes the hardware appear a bit more silver, but I don't mind it. I think it looks very fresh for summer. So let me open it up. It looks like a gelato, doesn't it? So yeah, let me open it up. This is the bag inside. My bag is made in France. It is a double flap in caviar, I think I forgot to mention. I'm not gonna do an in-depth review because I know you guys familiar with the classic flaps. So this is the handbag that I bought. However, I did want to mention that I got myself a Samorga organizer for this, and I wanted to remind you guys to use inserts inside your handbags in order to protect them, to keep them clean. The lining inside is delicate lambskin, so the insert would prevent any scratches or dirt, any leaks or marks. So I would highly recommend you get yourself an organizer. You guys know that I always get some more organizers. I have ordered one in a similar matching color. However, currently I have another color that I'm using for my yellow flap, so I am using that one. Here it is, and I actually really love the contrast. It looks so cute inside. Let me show you. By the way, I also have a discount code which is still active, so in case you're interested, I'll leave it here on the screen. And this is the insert. As you can see, it doesn't take up more space. When I switch bags, it's very easy. If I've already packed one bag and just want to use a different small classic flap, I would take the entire insert with my items inside and transfer it into a different handbag, so it's very convenient. I know there are currently so many other brands and different organizers, but Samoga is the original, and they make their organizers exactly measured to fit inside the bag perfectly. They do actually purchase the handbags in order to make these to fit perfectly inside, and they have organizers for literally every single bag and model you can think of. They have organizers for all the new hottest bags that come out. They are the first to have organizers for the bags. So yeah, I'll make sure I link my organizer down below, and also all the info with the discount code and everything, so make sure you check the description box. Okay, so this is the bag. I showed you the organizer, and let's move on because I can't wait to show you the rest. Alright guys, let's move on with the next bag. By the way, they still have the Christmas packaging with the glitter. If you have guys watched my shopping video, you know that I tried on some ready-to-wear pieces and I picked up something. Alright, here it is, more glitter ribbon that I hate. It is beautiful, but the glitter goes everywhere, so yeah. Alright, here it is. Ta-da-da-da. I got the beautiful Chanel denim jacket. Check this out. Ah. What a dream denim jacket. I love it so much. Guys, I had to buy this. I couldn't pass on this piece because I've been literally eyeing this for months. I remember even before the collection officially launched, you know how Chanel, before they upload the product pictures, they show you the looks, the runway looks, and this was the first piece that I liked from that collection, so it's been on my mind since then, before the collection even launched. Okay, so I put it on the hanger so you can see it better, but as I was saying, I have been eyeing it for a while, and I could have ordered this over the phone because we were still in lockdown. January, February we were in lockdown, but I wanted to physically go and try it on in the store, so I'm happy that it was still available now after the lockdown. Actually, I think many of you guys bought this jacket, didn't you? Because I showed this in a vlog and my essay said that they had these available, they had it in every single size, and one day it suddenly started selling out. This comes in grey and white. I also tried on the white one. I'll make sure I link that video if you're interested. But to me, this was the best option. I wear denim jackets a lot. I love a classic blue denim jacket. It goes with everything. It is a timeless piece. And also I feel that the print stands out more on this one. You can see in my vlog, if you go watch it, when I tried on the white, you can barely see the beautiful details on the jacket. So yeah, I'm glad that I got this. Oh, and by the way, this is my birthday gift from me to me. I couldn't get it exactly on the day. I got it because they had to transfer it. I got it a bit later. That's why I didn't include this in my what I got for my birthday video, which is, by the way, up. If you missed it, I'll make sure I link it up here. But yeah, let's move on. Alright guys, we have one more box. And this is actually the first one I have, I think. Yeah, I don't have another one of these in my collection, so let's open it up. And we have this gorgeous Chanel silk scarf. Look how beautiful, in navy blue and white. This is again from the 21P collection. I love that collection so much. It was beautiful. Everything from that collection is so beautiful. I actually still want a few more pieces from that collection, but I need to stop myself somehow because I've been buying a lot of Chanel lately and I need to slow down. But look at this gorgeous scarf. I do have a winter scarf from Chanel, but this is my first silk scarf, which I think is so beautiful. So you can wear it like this. I will try it on in a few different ways so you can see. So you can wear it as a scarf. You can also wear this at the beach. It is long enough to wrap around your waist and wear it as a cover up. I love the print. This also comes in black and white, but the black and white was a bit too harsh against my skin tone, so I decided to go for the navy. Plus I think navy suits my complexion as well. It goes with my hair color, with my eyes, so yeah, I really like it. And also this you can wear as a top, and this looks so beautiful as a top, like a beautiful summer top. You can wear it as a halter neck top, you can wear it, you just put it in a triangle like this, and you just tie it at the back. It's like super easy. There are so many ways. You can Google it, you can search here on YouTube and get some inspo, but there are so many different ways you can wear this as a top. I actually think this is a great piece to buy if you're starting your Chanel collection. It is very classic and beautiful, and you can wear it in multiple different ways. Also, if you're starting your ready-to-wear collection, this is great because it won't break the bank. Look how nice it goes. Even with the jacket, I can wear them together. It looks so beautiful. So yeah, this is the scarf. I think the scarf was about £400, a bit under £400. These do go on sale. Not all the prints, however, this is quite a popular print, so I'm not sure if this will go on sale, but I've seen many of the silk scarves do go on sale as well, and I believe there is a sale coming up, a summer sale, so I'm super excited for that one. But yeah, anyway, this is the scarf. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Chanel unboxing video. Let me know which one was your favorite item, the bag, the jacket, maybe the scarf. I would love to hear from you down below in the comment section. Let's chat. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon guys. Bye.